multiply using identity. 303 into 297. Answer, we have to write it as 300 plus 3 into 300 minus 3 is 297. 300 plus 3 is 303. Now here we use a plus b. A minus b is equal to a square minus b square formula. Therefore here a is equal to 300 and b, a is 300, b is 3. Therefore this equal to a square minus b square. A is 300 square minus b square. B is 3 square. 300 square. 3 square is 9. 2 0 is there. Put here 4 zeros. Minus 3 square. 3 3 is a 9. 90,000 minus 9 is 89,991 is answer.